You know, I get like, Leslie, you've come in at the right time. I have this. They're really bad. And these are so weird. What if they don't go away?
Go away.
What if they don't go away?
We're making a movie.
Oh my god, this is gonna be so bad. I want them to go away. We'll be right back.